Dealing with the persistent 0009 error whenever you try to install Fortnite or any other game from the Epic Games Store. Fret not, you don't need to dial tech support. This walkthrough will help you bid farewell to that pesky error and swiftly return to your gaming adventures. Let's get started. Solution 1. Clear Fortnite web cache. Begin by closing the Epic Games Store from the system tray. Open the Run dialog by searching for it in the search menu, then type in %localappdata% and press Enter. Navigate to the Epic Games Launcher folder and delete the web cache folder located in the saved directory. Afterward, reboot your computer to ensure the changes take effect. Solution 2. Run Epic Games Launcher as administrator. Exit the Epic Games Launcher entirely. Then, right-click on the Epic Games Launcher icon on your desktop and select Run as administrator from the menu that appears. Confirm the action by clicking Yes if prompted. This grants the launcher elevated privileges which might resolve the error. Solution 3. Manually delete and reinstall game data. Locate the folder where you were attempting to install the game from the Epic Games Launcher, usually found in the C drive under Program Files. Delete the problematic game folder. Next, launch the Epic Games Launcher, navigate to your library, and initiate the game installation process again. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome the 0009 error and resume your gaming endeavors without interruption. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Have any questions or encountered a different issue? Feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.